Olivia Blue.
Welcome to Get a Clue with Olivia Blue. Today we're making arts and crafts. Say crafts.
Craft C R A F C S.
Crafts.
Craft.
What are we doing today, Olivia?
Making
Picture frames. We're making a monster one and a house one. And what are we using to make them? What are those?
puzzle kit to make them.
This is what the finished product is going to look like. This one's the house, and that one's the
Monster.
monster. Okay. Say it.
Put your pen. P I C U R E F R A N E S. Picture print.
Which one are we going to show them how to do first, Olivia? The house or the monster? The house. So we're going to do the house first. And again, this is what it looks like. So, since we're using these popsicle sticks, I'm going to go ahead and place 3 next to each other. How many is that, Olivia?
1, 2, 3.
And then we need 3 more for the other side.
1, 2, 3.
And then 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom.
Yep.
Now you have the frame of your house. We're going to use some popsicle sticks to connect them. For the sake of video purposes, we're going to use a hot glue gun to make it dry faster. But if you choose to use a hot glue gun while making this at home, make sure you have help.
That page.
I'm looking. What? Up here to make the, what's this up here? The roof?
Roof.
The roof. We're gonna add 1 more popsicle stick in the back. This is so the picture doesn't fall out when we put it in the frame. Drawing, we're gonna make the
A monster.
monster. This, almost like a coffee cup. And then a stick at the bottom, a stick at the top, and then a stick in the middle. The bottom part is going to be the monster's mouth.
Yep, monster mouth.
Hot glue.
Hot glue.
Now we need to break 1 in half. Can you break 1 in half?
Yeah.
Thank you, lady. And then we're going to put 1 more across the bottom to hold the picture in.
Cut out the eyes. Glue.
Now that the glue is dried, we're going to move on to the next part. Can you spell it?
G L U E. Glue.
What are we doing now?
On the car.
It's time to color. Can we spell color?
C-O-L-O-R. Color.
What color is the monster gonna be, Olivia?
Green.
Green. There we go.
My green.
And what are we gonna put on here on the monster?
Eye.
Eyes and what else?
Teeth.
Teeth. We're gonna put the teeth or the eyes first?
Keepers.
The teeth first. Okay. For the teeth, we're gonna go ahead and use, what's this?
Purple.
Purple glue stick. So, here's the teeth. What color are the monster's teeth?
Orange.
Orange.
Two.
And what do we just put on the monster? The
Teeth.
and we put his
Eyes.
eyes. So now the monster is all done. Okay, let's show him what you finished. This is the one that we did. This is the new house, and that's the new what?
Zombie.
New zombie monster. And this was the one we started with. So this is kind of like a before and after. And show yours. Show the new one. Oh, our picture fell out. We didn't have an actual picture to put in here, so we just went ahead and drew something. But this is how you would put the picture in here. You just snap it in and snap it out. And what do you call your monster?
Come on. That's me. I'm a baby
You're the baby, and who's this?
and a mom.
That's the mommy monster. And whose house is this? Who does it say up here?
Olivia.
Olivia's house. Video in a while.
And pay broken ankle.
I didn't break it, but I sprained it. But
Ankle.
yeah, my ankle. Sprained my ankle. And what do I wear? Because I sprained it. What do I wear?
Boots.
I wear a boot. Is it? Are you glad that we're making videos again?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Olivia, what do you think this is?
That's another one.
What do you think it is? What is this?
Everywhere.
It's what?
Everywhere.
Alligator.
Yeah.
Alligator what?
Skin.
Alligator skin. This is what her guess is. We're gonna taste it, and then you can tell me what it is, okay? We're both gonna try to drink it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Do you think it's gonna taste good?
Yep.
Yeah? Don't smell it. You're gonna take it real fast, okay? Ready? You want a toast? Clean. Okay, drink it. What is it?
A pickle.
It's pickle juice. Drink it all. You drink it all. You're not even making any face. Was that good?
Yep.
Would you like more?
Yep.
Bruh.
R A
Stop saying it twice. Don't say it twice, just say it once. We're gonna have some time in between, okay?
T E. Stop!
You stop. C, and that's it. They ain't got two C's. Okay? Okay, try again. Just scrapbook is?
Yeah.
What's a scrapbook?
Scrapbook.
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 What is that by the sofa?
Kicked it.
Not a kickstick. This